Welcome back to my vlog. So today we are going to be packing all of me and my family's our personal body products and all of that stuff, getting all that packed up for our trip. We are going to Branson in a little over a week to celebrate my husband's birthday and for a little spring break vacation. So let's get started. So I first want to talk about my list that I do. I write all of my stuff out that um, and so everybody has their own category. And what I'll do is, as I'm doing this, I'll just cross out what I have. That way, I know that I don't need to come back for that later. So, I guess I'll show you everything that I bought. So I got some, for our beds, I got some Theraflu, the generic brand. What is it, the tea packs? Yeah, the tea packs work much better than the I forgot what it's called, the cough syrup. And then I got some generic Claritin for my kids. And I got some stomach medicine. And I got some sinus medicine. I got some cold nighttime, day and nighttime medicine. 2 bottles of hand soap. So the condo we're staying in is a 1-bedroom with a pull-out couch. So I'll put one in the bathroom, in our room. I think there's probably 2 bathrooms. I'm pretty sure if there's a bathroom in the suite, there should be a bathroom that's in the common area. So there's probably 2 bathrooms. Oh gosh, and then I might have to get another bottle. So okay. So we like to do, as far as like when we're packing for like our body products and medicine and stuff like that, we like to buy all of that stuff new and just buy like the smallest bottle that they have. Some things don't have small bottles. Like for instance, like I think they do have a smaller. I don't know if they do, but I just feel like it's better, especially because this is already so expensive. I just feel like I might as well just get the size we always get. But some things are not regular size. But what we do is we just add it to our pile here. And some things may even, like what this hand soap, this hand soap I think we got when we went to the cabins last year for Christmas. But we didn't use these because they had hand soap. So we just put those up. So I got this deodorant for my husband, and we'll just take one of these out of here. So it's the degree deodorant. And then I got this deodorant for me. And then I got this Hello toothpaste for me and my husband. This is I never tried this kind. We usually well, I use the charcoal toothpaste, and my husband, he started to use it and he really likes it. And then I got the kids some toothpaste. And then my son, we have tons of the fluoride toothpaste. So I just got one of these because when we go to the dentist, they often give them toothpaste. But my other kids are not ready to use fluoride toothpaste yet, so I have to buy them some. And then I got 2 brushes. These are me, my husband, and my son, my oldest son. And then I got this for my 2 middle kids, and then this for my 2-year-old. And then I bought me some body spray. So I bought 3 since I'm gonna need one for each day. Usually I'll just pick a few and then I'll just use those. But I figured since it's for 3 days, I would just bring one for each day. So I got those, and this one is vanilla lace, and it has creamy vanilla and warm musk. And this one is frosted vanilla fantasy. And it has frosted vanilla, melty petals, and glazed amber. And this one is cashmere flare, and it has sugared rose, vanilla, cashmere, and luxurious and inviting. But my husband bought those for me for Christmas. He always buys me a bunch of Victoria's Secret body sprays that I like, and a bunch of character socks that I like. And then I got some body oil. I just started using this. I used to use the Dove body oil, baby body oil. I only use the baby body oil because it's better for my skin can deal with it better than adult kinds because I have really sensitive skin. So this one has been working good because normally I can't use anything that has any fragrances and stuff in it. And then I got this for my husband. And then we've been trying out the generic eczema lotion for my Three Musketeers because they the Eucerin brand lotion is so expensive, so we're trying to find one that's cheaper because we go through the lotion so quickly, and so far it's working out pretty well. And then I bought me some mascara. So I got my 3-year-old Elsa. She loves Elsa. My 2-year-old Minnie, and oh my gosh, it's blanking on me. What is her name? Minnie and Daisy. Oh my god, I love Daisy. Daisy, she's sassy and I love it. I love it so much. And then this one's my oldest, and then this is my second boy. And then I got 2 of these because one of these is going to go in my son's day bag, and we'll do those in a separate video. But I got one of these for him to have, at the hotel, and then some lotion for him. And so, I forgot about this body wash for my husband. So as I'm looking at this, I'm seeing that we don't have me and my son's body wash. We actually use the same body wash because me and all of my kids have sensitive skin. So my 3 Musketeers, they use the same lotion and body wash. And then me and my son, we use the same body wash, but we use different lotion. So, but I don't take lotion with me when we go on vacation. I always take my body oil. Because, I'm on vacation. I want to be glistening, So, we actually have body wash upstairs. So, I have to go grab that. And then we'll get to packing this up. So, I'll be right back. Bandages, I actually need to grab those. Ibuprofen, so we keep ibuprofen for the kids. So I have that in here right now. So we're getting pretty low. So I have more medicine, and then I have like the kids' personal medicines that they need. Eye drops. I think I showed no. Aleve, I actually have that on my list to get. Gripe water, I didn't get that. Depending on what it is, I'll take it out the back because I do like to have everything. When we get there on check-in day, I like to organize the whole hotel. That's why I'm trying to try out those little bags that I bought, because that'll help me out more. Like I said, I do leave the stuff in the suitcases, but because usually what I would do, we would just leave the suitcases open on the floor. We'll just pick a designated spot, but I don't want to do that. If I can use this system, which I feel like it's going to work out pretty well, that'll be so much better, and then I could just tuck the suitcases away. So what I do is I put everybody's stuff in their own designated bag, and my son's stuff goes to his bathroom, and the kids' stuff and me and my husband's stuff goes to the bathroom that we're going to share. And then depending on what it is, I'll put the stuff out. And then like with the medicine and stuff, we'll keep the medicine in the kitchen up high. So we'll get to packing all of this. So as I'm going, I'll be checking off everything that I need, that I have. So I guess I'll just start with my husband since he's at the very top. So I'll just start with his, and this one doesn't have a sensor. I still do use it because sometimes we're gone for so long, we need more stuff, so I have to use it. So we're sorry about my husband. Now I'm going to get all of me in the center. These are just makeup wipes. But I'm going to get all of me and the girls' jewelry packed up. My husband hasn't given me any jewelry for him yet. More than likely, whatever he wears, it'll be the stuff that he wears nowadays. But I just got like a few of my necklaces and chokers, and I got my girls some of their jewelry. And then I just bought me one pair of earrings. More. I love my chokers, so I love to layer my chokers up. So I always wear 2 and 3 at a time. And I got my girls' bracelets. And now that I'm thinking about it, I don't have my son's, but I think he has his own today. Okay, then I got my girls' bows. They love their bows, which just reminded me I didn't get me any bows. I need to rethink this. So I'm probably gonna do that in a minute. But anyways, the medicine. Oh, then I bring extra hair ties for their hair, just in case, because you never know. I like to be prepared, so I don't have to buy anything. So then I have this medicine. And then all of this back up. And like I said, like I'm looking at my list and there's some things that, like, I forgot they have tops on it. I just brought tops. I totally forgot about that. That's funny. Oh, should I take this off? Body product goes in this bag, and sometimes we'll have a little space left over, sometimes we won't. But this is one bag that I could always add stuff to later. So like, I know there's some things I'm missing for my oldest, stuff I'm missing for my husband, some things I'm missing for me that I can't put in. Like my bag is pretty. But yeah, because I still, I'm doing a quick week on and so put some extensions in my hair. So it's going to, I'm going to need my flat irons. Or actually my curlers. Because he said he wanted my hair to be curled. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, I still have a decent amount of space in here. But like I said, keep in mind, I still have, once I put in the rest of the stuff that we need, this bag will be set. Because literally the only stuff that we can put in here is all of our body products. There's one, it's very convenient when you're traveling, especially like if, I know a lot of people fly, and I found these on someone's channel that I watched, but it saves you for having to buy the liquid, and then if you need to take some home, you don't have to worry about traveling with the liquid. So these are very good, and I started using them when we got home, but they are very pricey. So this time when we come home, I'm just going to put them up for our next trip. That way I don't have to buy these again, because there's 60 sheets in here. So yeah, this should definitely last. We'll probably wash, I don't know, every day. Let me take a few out. So I like, really, how many times am I really gonna wash? Like, how many times? I'll probably wash once a day. So 4. I'll say 4. That should be enough, right? No, I'm gonna take some more, because like when we're checking out, I love to wash all of our blankets and stuff like that. I like to come out with everything clean. So that's 6 right there. Something else I also bought was floss. Floss are very important. So what I'll do with this is I'm going to take some out, and I'm going to put it in a Ziploc bag for the car. With stopping and dealing with the kids, it's going to take us 5 hours to get there. So just a few. So this will go in with our road trip essentials, and I'll be doing a video on that. And I only grabbed one Ziploc bag, and I did too. Oh my goodness, guys! I can only imagine how it's going to be when, because I've never recorded myself packing stuff. So this will be interesting when I do the Disney trip, because that's going to be a really long trip. And Disney comes with warrant playing. Like, I love Disney, and I can't wait, but this is not a Disney video. I just can't help it. I can't help it. I love Disney. So I got that done. So yeah, so this is our bag. And then I still have to pack my son's stuff. I got to pack all of our day bags. I pack all of our day bags before we leave, so those are set to go. I have to do our road trip essentials, and I also have to do my husband's part 2 of my husband's birthday haul. So thank you for watching today. I really appreciate it. I hope I gave you guys some great ideas and some great finds, because again, I love to shop. But thank you for watching today.